So this is part 3 of setting up my own micro agentic server setup on a laptop that I wasn't using before. Be sure to go back and look at the other parts to understand what I used for the laptop and what I was using as well to power the brains and the other types of things for this setup. And again, this was instead of rushing out to buy a Mac Mini, which can be expensive, a grand, just to get a good Mac Mini. And I didn't want to install OpenClaw because of all the security concerns that are out there. I really want that to be a little bit more baked in. And I wanted to figure out what are the steps sort of required to set up just any kind of agentic workflow. And again, mine is so simple. It's almost like kindergarten level in terms of setting it up. Probably not so much so, but in terms of comparing it to some of the things that can be done in OpenClaw, it is very, very elementary. I basically wanted to set up a workflow where I could send an email to a dedicated email address that had a single link in it. Then the my little agent would take the email. It would be polling for the email. Take the email, take the URL, scrape the content from the web page of that URL, then run it through my local LLM and summarize everything into 3 bullet points, and then basically take that summary as well as the timestamp and the URL and write it to a Google Sheets doc. That's all it does. It actually is right here. So instead of showing a screenshot, that is my setup. This is actually a module. There's another polling module to get the email, but it's chained to this. I got it to work. Bottom line, it's very rudimentary. It's very, very simple. And now I'm basically downloading other templates from other people who have developed workflows in N8N to understand what that process is. So my bottom line here is I went old school. I went to old school tech. N8N is kind of 2025, but is still extremely relevant in 2026. And I just wanted to understand it myself before I started saying, "Oh yeah, just use Agentic workflow. It's really great, and that's how you should be doing things." There are other ways to do Agentic workflow that's a lot easier, a lot more out of the box, sort of like OpenClaw or whatever's coming out of like Claude Cowork or something like that. I'm going to be diving into all those things to understand them, but I wanted to understand the fundamentals first. Hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, link in bio, and I'll have more videos coming your way.